Hello everyone, I'm Dr Abha Singh, alumni from batch 2019-21. After practicing dentistry for 2 years, I decided to explore more opportunity in the field of public health, and IIHMR Delhi was the right destination for me. Here, it laid a strong foundation in me by providing me with the right knowledge and building the managerial skill and curiosity for the research. The faculty over here helped me to identify my potential and helped me to build a personality which was suitable for the job market and the professional world. Currently, I am working as a research officer in the Public Health Cadre project, which is one of the projects among the various projects that are running here for the research. Being a researcher, it has helped me to explore the different domains and understanding about the area of research. Along with that, I get the opportunity to travel to the various cities and states of India, where I get the exposure of the field and understanding from the ground level.